What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel, or back to the channel if you've been here before. Today we're going to do another mama's design, which I thought was so super cute. I wanted to try it. So join me as I do that. But before we start, actually, I want to show you guys what I will be doing. So the material that we will be using today, this is a flock HTV vinyl. And if I bring it up close, you see it have some glitter on the back of it, and the white is flock. It's super cute. So we're going to use this on a sweatshirt. My stabilizer that I'm using, this is a cutaway stabilizer, but I want you to see how sheer it is. But it is a stabilizer. Okay, it's not going to tear. Now, I'm also going to do this on a t-shirt. I'm going to do this design on a t-shirt, yes. When you do it on a t-shirt, this is going to hold. If you're not really confident, you can also double it up with a piece of cutaway, all right? So those are the two things. And then I'm using my mighty hoop, my 11 by 13 mighty hoop on this design because it's a pretty big design. So let's get to it. Vinyl that I will be using, and remember, when you're using HTV vinyl, you want to take off or separate it from the cover sheet. Because you do not want to stitch this, do your applique with your cover sheet on. So putting my vinyl on, make sure and cover all of your stitching. Don't be mingy trying to save your vinyl too much. Make sure that it's covered. Okay, so now I'm going to remove the vinyl. Now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do the t-shirt. So let's get to the t-shirt. Let's see how it turns out. It's gonna turn out great. Stop playing. Okay, so we are done. And this is the t-shirt held up. It came out pretty cool. The glitter, the black glitter, the gray thread, it came out pretty cool. And this is the t-shirt. And this is the sweatshirt. So thank you all so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Any links or stuff that I use, I would put it in the description. If you have any questions, please leave it down below and I will respond as soon as I can. and I'll see you on the next one.